Hey there, it's Anna. You know, sometimes the most intense feelings are the ones kept under wraps. But what if there were telltale signs that reveal her hidden obsession for you? In today's video, we are peeling back the layers to uncover the subtle and often overlooked indicators that she's secretly head over heels. By the end of our session, you will possess the uncanny ability to decode her actions and understand her unspoken feelings. Ready to discover the secret that she's been hiding? Join me as we navigate this intriguing world of hidden desires. Let's dive in. Social setting glances. Group settings can often be a minefield of interactions, with so many conversations and jokes flying around. Amidst this chaos, if you find her gaze drifting towards you, especially after a shared laugh, it speaks volumes. She's keen to see your reaction, to share that moment of joy or amusement with you first. These fleeting glances aren't just coincidental eye contacts, they are subconscious indicators of where her focus truly lies. Subtle touches, physical connections often transcend words. When in conversation or simply sharing space, you might feel her fingers graze against yours, even if it's just momentarily. Or during a casual meetup, she might unexpectedly adjust your tie or fix your collar. These gentle touches are more than just gestures of friendliness. It's her subtle way of seeking closeness or building a tangible connection. These fleeting moments of contact aren't accidental, they are tiny windows into her growing affection for you. Delayed responses. In today's fast-paced world of instant messaging, responses usually come in quickly. If she occasionally holds back, taking longer than usual to reply, it might just be that she is busy, but she might be intentionally delaying her text responses to not appear too eager. However, when she does reply and that conversation flows naturally with enthusiasm, it's evident she's genuinely excited to talk to you. This subtle tactic is not just about playing it cool, it's a hint that she's deeply interested and maybe even a little nervous about how you perceive her. Cultural references. Everyone has their own taste in entertainment, be it music, movies, or literature. But when she starts referencing or showing interest in specific songs, films, or books that you've casually mentioned, it's not a mere coincidence. It's her way of bridging the gap or finding common ground to connect with you. This sudden inclination isn't just about broadening her horizons. It showcases a genuine effort to get closer to your world, hinting at that deeper fascination with you. Shared interests. We all have our favourite haunts, places where we feel at ease and can relax. A specific cafe, a gym, or even a park. If you begin to notice her frequenting these places, especially if they're not exactly convenient for her, it's a sign. It's not about the coffee at the cafe or the equipment at the gym. It's about the hope of running into you and sharing more unplanned moments together. These choices are more than just new habits. They signify a genuine desire to be closer to your world. Curated recommendations. Everyone has recommendations, but when hers start to feel uncannily aligned with your tastes or past conversations, this is not by chance. She might suggest a book that perfectly matches a topic you once discussed, or a movie that resonates with your shared interests. This act of recommending isn't just about sharing her favourites, it's a testament to how attentively she listens and how much she values your shared conversations. It shows she's keen to expand on those shared interests and further intertwine your worlds. Remembering quirks. Details often get lost in the cacophony of daily life, yet she remembers those little quirks that make you you. It could be your playful disdain for olives or that unconscious habit of tapping your foot when you are deep in thought. Her ability to recall these minor details isn't merely a good memory at play. It underscores her genuine interest in understanding and cherishing the smaller nuances of your personality, emphasizing a depth to her attention. Protective instinct. Care can manifest in the subtlest of ways. It might be a casual reminder about taking an umbrella because she knows you tend to forget, or her ensuring that you are wearing that warm jacket on a particular chilly evening. These acts aren't just mundane reminders, they highlight her protective instinct towards you. It's her unspoken way of ensuring that you are safe and taken care of, a gentle testament to her growing concern and fondness for you. Change in vocabulary. Language, much like fashion, often reflects those that we are close to. So if you start noticing that she's mirroring your choice of words or adopting phrases that are distinctly yours, it's more than mere coincidence. This change isn't about her losing her unique voice, but rather a subtle sign that she's growing fonder of yours. So by integrating elements of your vocabulary into hers, she's not only showing you that she listens intently, but is also forming a closer bond through shared language. Emphasized independence. Everyone wants to put their best foot forwards in the dance of attraction, and for her, this might manifest as showcasing her independence or self-sufficiency. It's not about distancing herself, but rather about impressing you indirectly. By emphasizing her ability to stand on her own 2 feet, she's letting you know she chooses to be with you, not out of necessity, but genuine interest. It's her unique way of demonstrating strength and allure, all in the hopes of catching your attention. Observes your reactions. Words have weight and reactions have meaning. In group settings, she might drop a comment or share a story, but her primary audience is you. If she discreetly checks your response after speaking, it's because your opinion holds significant value to her. This observation isn't about seeking validation, but rather about gauging compatibility and ensuring she remains in tune with your feelings and thoughts. Holds your items. On the surface, it might seem like a simple act of convenience when she offers to hold your jacket or safeguards your drink. But look a little deeper. By holding onto something of yours, she creates a reason to initiate contact later, be it returning the item or merely reminding you that she has it. This seemingly small gesture is her tactful way of ensuring she stays within your orbit, creating moments of connection through shared possessions. She notices your absence. People come and go in social gatherings, but if you are absent, she takes note. Whether you missed an event or simply stepped away for a while, she's quick to express that your presence was missed. This isn't about keeping tabs, it's an honest admission of the void felt in your absence. Her genuine concern and quick notice highlight just how central you've become to her social experience, emphasizing her growing attraction and affection for you. Adapts your preferences. Now, it's human nature to be influenced by those that we are close to or those that we admire. And if she's begun to adopt certain preferences that you've expressed, such as opting for the same type of drink that you once mentioned, it's an indication of her deep interest. This adaptation isn't just about mirroring, it's about her genuine curiosity in understanding and experiencing things through your lens. While she maintains her individuality, her subtle alignment with your choices highlights her desire to connect more deeply with you. Revisits conversations. Now, the mind has a unique way of dwelling on subjects and conversations of interest, and if she frequently revisits past dialogues or references old jokes, it's a clear sign that she values your conversations. It's not just about memory, it's a testament to the impact that you've left on her mind. By rekindling previous topics, she's emphasizing not only her attention to detail, but also her desire to relive those shared moments with you. Subconscious mimicry. Sometimes attraction manifests in subconscious ways. If you notice her ordering the same dish or drink as you without even realizing it, it's a form of subconscious mimicry. This unintentional mirroring indicates a deep level of comfort and a desire for alignment with you. It's less about imitation and more about an underlying resonance that she feels your choices, showcasing her growing connection to you. Following your recommendations. When you've shared a suggestion, be this a movie, a song, or a new diner in town, and she promptly explores it, it goes beyond simple curiosity. This eagerness to delve into your recommendations signifies more than just shared interests. It speaks to her wanting to walk a mile in your shoes to see the world through your perspective. Every recommendation becomes a pathway to understanding you better and her acting upon them. It's her subtle way of saying, I value your taste and I want to experience it too. She keeps shared items. Now, objects hold memories, especially when shared between two individuals. If she lingers a bit longer with that pen that you lent her or that book that you've shared, it's not forgetfulness. Instead, it's her treasuring the tangible connection that she shares with you. These items, no matter how mundane, serve as a reminder of your interactions. By holding on to them, she is metaphorically keeping a piece of your presence with her, cherishing the connection that it represents. Inquires about your well-being. Caring often manifests in the details, and if she subtly checks in on you, especially during times that she senses you might be off kilter, it's a testament to her attentiveness. It's not just about asking, how are you, but genuinely wanting to know the answer. This understated concern is her way of ensuring that you are okay, making it evident that your well-being holds a place in her thoughts. Favors your social media posts. In the digital age, social media interactions well, they speak volumes, don't they? Now, she might not like every post that you put up, but when she does, it's often those posts that hold deeper significance or offer a glimpse into your personal world. Her selective interactions are not just random, they are intentional. By appreciating these posts, she's signifying her keen interest in the authentic, unfiltered version of you. So you've just unveiled her secret obsession signs, but there's more to discover. Check out how she greets you when she's crazy about you, or learn about the things that girls love that few men do. Like this video, show your support with a thumbs up, share your thoughts in the comments down below, and don't forget to subscribe.